Om Nantare Namaha. A warm welcome to one and all. Welcome to today's episode of Sahasra Yaga of Sahasra Yoga, an online lecture series by Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad. Myself, Dr. Ashwini Patil, Associate Professor, Department of Samhita Siddhanta, Sanjeevani Ayurveda Medical College, here present before you the Dakshadi Prakarana, which is being said in Sahasra Yoga with various combinations. Today we will be discussing about Drakshadi Kashaya, which is being explained in 5 forms, that is Drakshadi Kashaya 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Moving on with Drakshadi Kashaya 1, Draksha Guduchi Kashmarya Trayamana Sarivaha Nishkwathya Sagudam Kwatham Pibed Vata Jwarapaham. The ingredients of Drakshadi Kashaya 1 are Draksha, Guduchi, Gambhari, Trayamana, Sariva, which are being taken in equal parts and mixed along with Jala, and the classical preparation of Kashaya is being prepared over here. The Anupana mentioned here is the Guda, which is being taken as the Anupana, and this formulation is being described in Chakradatta Jwara Chikitsa as well as Vaishajya Ratnavali Jwara Chikitsa Prakarana. When we look into the ingredients, that is the Draksha, Gambhari, Guduchi, Trayamana and Sariva, majority of these drugs are Vatashamaka, Daha Prashamana, Trishna Nigrahana. And as Jwara is Pitta predominant, associated with Daha and Trishna, these ingredients are being selected which act not only on Pitta but also on the Vata. The Guda which has been taken is considered as a Tarpana which has been required specifically in Vataja Jwara. Draksha is being included under Kasahara, Shramahara, Kanthya, Gana of Charaka, and it is being considered as Madhura Rasa, Shitavirya, Madhura Vipaka and Vata Pitta Hara. It is being indicated in Jwara all Pitta disorders like Rakta Pitta, Kamala, Rajayakshma, Daha, Trishna, etc. The Guduchi, popularly called as Amruta Balli, is being included under Daha Prashamana, Trishna Nigrahana, Triptigna, Stanya Shodhana Gana of Charaka, and is Tikta, Kashaya Rasa, Ushna Virya, Madhura Vipaka, Tridoshahara and Jwarahara. Hence, it is being taken here. The Gambhari is being included under Shotahara, Daha Prashamana Gana of Charaka and has Tiktarasa, Kashaya Rasa and Madhura Vipaka. It has Ushna Virya and Vata Pittahara and has the property of Deepana and Pachana. It is being indicated in Jwara, Shodha as well as Trishna. The Trayamana is being included under Kashaya Skandha of Charaka and it is Tikta Kashaya Rasa, Ushna Virya and Katu Vipaka, Pitta Kafahara. It is indicated in Jwara, Rudroga, Gulma and Shula. The Sariva is being included under Jwarahara, Daha Prashamana Gana of Charaka and it is Madhura Tikta Rasa, Shita Virya, Madhura Vipaka and Tridoshahara. Sariva is also Rakta Prasadaka, hence it is being indicated in Jwara, Kandu, Kasa, Shwasa and etc. Moving on with the Yoga Drakshadi Kashaya 2, Draksha Amrutekshu Kandana, Kvatam cha Param Hitam, Pathya Bhukpra Pibet Prataha, Kamala Nashanam Param. The second yoga is being indicated in Kamala and it has ingredients Draksha, Guduchi, Ikshukanda which are being taken in equal parts and prepared as per the classical preparation of Kashaya preparations. It is being indicated to take in the morning Prapibet Prataha along with a proper diet and indicated in Kamala. The purpose of selecting these drugs in Kamala is Draksha acts as a Pitta Hara and in Kamala there is a condition of Bahupitta. Guduchi and Ikshukanda Rasa are being considered as a best proven drug in Yakrut Vikara. Hence, this formulation containing Guduchi, Ikshukanda Rasa and Draksha is being taken or indicated in Kamala. The next is the Drakshadi Kashaya 3. Drakshopkulya Kvatho Vruthasitanvitaha Pittaja Swarasadasya Pitaha Prashamano Mataha. The Drakshadi Kashaya 3 ingredients are Draksha, Pippali, Vasa which are being taken in equal parts and again the classical method of Kashaya preparations is being done here. The Anupana mentioned over here is Gogruta and it is being indicated in Pittaja Swarabheda. Draksha is considered to be beneficial drug in all the upper respiratory tract infection and hence been taken over here. And it is being added with Vasa, which is being considered as a best drug in all type of throat disorders, is being considered as Kasahara, Shwasahara and Pitta Shamaka. The purpose of adding Pippali here is to increase the Agni to reduce the Shitata and expel the Kapha, and the Madhura Vipaka of the Pippali does not irritate the tissue and instead it gives a soothing effect. Thus Pippali is being added along with the Draksha and the Vasa in Pittaja Swarabheda. The next yoga is Drakshadi Kashaya 4. Draksha Kashmarya Kharjura Patolarishta Vasakaiha Katukalaj Dusparshaiha Kwataha Sharkaraya Yutaha Visfotam Pittajam Hanti Sa Upadrava Asamshayam. The ingredients of Drakshadi Kashaya 4 are Draksha, Gambhari, Kharjura, Patola, Nimba, Vasa, Katuka, Laja, Atmagupta all are being taken in equal part, and the method of preparation is as per the classical preparation of the Kashaya. The Anupana here is being said as Sharkara and it is being indicated with Pittaja Visphota even in the Upadrava condition also. This has been included in all the skin disorders. When we look into the ingredients, Katuki is being considered as the best drug in all the skin disorders because of its Katurasa, Shitavirya and Lekhana property. It cleans the intestinal inner coat, hence this drug is being indicated. Nimba is indicated in all the Twak disorders and it has been a proven antiseptic action. Patola is Virechaka, Pittahara, Rakta Shamaka and also indicated in all the Twak disorders. Vasa is Pitta Shamaka and Kharjura is Balya and Brahmana and Gambhari is Vatahara. Thus, all these ingredients are taken in Pittaja Visphota conditions, as in this condition, along with the complications it has been mentioned to substantiate, to reduce the complications as well as to control the Pitta and the Rakta, the drugs which are Pitta Shamaka and Rakta Shamaka along with the Shita Viryas are being selected over here. Along with this, some of the Balya Brahmana drugs are also being added, such as the Kharjura and Draksha, to give an overall effect in the mentioned condition of Pittaja Visphota with Upadravas. The last preparation is the Drakshadi Kashaya 5. Draksha Haritaki Kwata Eranda Sneha Samyutam Vata Gulmam Jayet Pitam Virekena Na Samshayaha. The ingredients of Drakshadi Kashaya 5 are Draksha and Haritaki, which is being taken in equal parts, and the classical method of Kashaya preparations is being done. The Anupana mentioned here is the Eranda Taila, and the pharmacological action which is going to show here is the Virechana, and this yoga is especially indicated in Vataja Gulma. Gulma is a condition where Vata is Pradhana dosha, and the line of treatment for Gulma is Virechana and Vatahara line of treatment. And the drugs selected here are the Haritaki and the Draksha. Haritaki acts as Anulomaka as well as Rasayana, and Eranda Taila, which is being taken as an Anupana, is going to act as a Rechaka as well as Vatahara. To compensate the action of both Eranda Taila and Haritaki, the drug Draksha is being included over here. Hence, this combination is being taken in and being mentioned in the Vataja Gulma. Thus, Drakshadi Kashaya 1 to 5 are being mentioned, which have different indication based upon the different ingredients. Drakshadi Kashaya 1 is specially indicated in Jwara Prakarana based on its Jwarahara ingredients. Drakshadi 2 is being indicated in Kamala based on its ingredients, that is the Ikshukanda as well as the Guduchi. The 3 is being mentioned in Swarabheda based upon the property of Vasa and Pippali acting in the respiratory tract. The Drakshadi 4 is being mentioned in all the Tvak Vikaras, especially in the Pittaja Vispota, where the ingredients are Virechaka, Pittahara, Raktashamaka as well as Balya and Brahmana. Hence it is being included even with the condition of Pittaja Vispota with complications. And the Drakshadi 5 is being included in the Gulma Prakarana based upon its unique combination of Haritaki and Eranda Taila. Thus ends the Drakshadi Kashaya Prakarana of Sahasra Yoga. Thank you.